Joey, Paul, Power and HVAC Project Manager. I've been in the HVAC industry for about 26 years. My dad was a heat and air tech. He owned his own company, and that's where I got my start. So I have 5 years through an apprenticeship. I have numerous certifications, York factory startup mechanic, a lot of specialized equipment, MRI machines, industrial refrigeration equipment. So I have a very wide base of knowledge.
What do you love doing in your office?
Spending time with my family, riding motorcycles, taking a boat out, spending time on the river, but the main thing, spending time with my family. Being an HVAC tech and having power knowledge with the generators, being able to get equipment back up faster when we run into an issue with equipment on the job, where we're not limiting or hindering the customer when they need our equipment up and running. I can be on site faster than calling out another company to come do the repairs and get the equipment back up and going faster. I've enjoyed the job completely, all aspects of it, even the hard parts, humping the cable out of the buildings, and it's still been enjoyable. It's good, honest work.